Bolivia is a constitutional, multi-party republic with an elected president and a bicameral legislature. In 2020, Luis Alberto Arce Catacora, candidate for the Movement Towards Socialism Party, won the presidential election with 55% of the vote. International electoral observation missions and domestic electoral observation organizations characterized the national elections as free, fair, and transparent. The National Police, under the Ministry of Government's authority, have primary responsibility for law enforcement and the maintenance of order within the country, but the armed forces, which report to the Ministry of Defense, may be called to help in critical situations. Immigration officials report to the Ministry of Government, and police and military share responsibilities for border enforcement. Civilian authorities maintained effective control over the security forces. There were reports that members of the security forces committed abuses. Significant human rights issues included credible reports of torture and cases of cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment by government officials, harsh and life-threatening prison conditions, arbitrary arrests or detentions, serious problems concerning judicial independence, restrictions on free expression and media, including violence against journalists by state security forces and censorship, substantial interference with the freedom of assembly, serious government corruption, lack of investigation of and accountability for gender-based violence, and existence of the worst forms of child labor. The government took steps in some cases to prosecute members of the security services and other government officials who committed abuses or corrupt acts, but inconsistent and ineffective application of the law and the corrupt judiciary led to impunity.